friends, welcome to our channel. My name is Nozuko and today I have a basic twerk tutorial for you, which is called a booty pop. So this is a basic style that you can learn that helps you do more advanced twerk styles as you get along. So please make sure you don't skip this one. So please, before we start, please make sure that you have water, lots of water, and make sure that you have a yoga mat if you want, or anything that can protect your knees. And then the last thing that you need is a nice fitting short that is nice and loose on your bum bum so that you can jiggle around. Okay, so just go grab those, pause the video, and then we'll get started. So like I said, if you don't have a yoga mat, then you can actually use anything that can protect your knee that you can place on the floor. And what we're going to do now is called a cat-cow, and this just helps you to stretch your lower back, but also it helps you kind of get the rhythm of how your waist is supposed to move when you do the booty pop. Okay, so let's go into a tabletop position. What we're going to do is we're going to push our belly button down towards the mat, push your ass out kind of towards the roof. You're going to face forward and your chest is also out. Okay, you're going to breathe in, and then you're going to curve your spine towards the roof. Look in between your legs and breathe out. And breathe in. Belly button towards the mat. You need to feel it here on your lower back. If you don't, that means you're probably not pushing your belly button enough. Okay, and out. Breathe in and out. Okay, so now that you kind of got the rhythm of what we're supposed to be doing, now what you're going to do is, now as you push your belly button towards the mat, you're going to push it down forcefully, and this will give you this kind of movement. Okay, so if you do it fast enough, that's how it looks, and that's how it looks. Push it up, that's how it looks. Okay, and that's how your booty pops. So now that you know how to pop on the floor, we're going to take what we learned on the floor and we're going to put it into a twerk posture. So before we start with the twerk posture, I'm first going to show you how to squat, because this is the most important one that for you to protect your legs. So first you have your legs a little bit more than hip width apart, and then what you're going to do is you're going to sit as if you're sitting on a chair. Okay, I'm going to show you first from the front and then the side profile. So you're going to sit as if you're sitting on a chair. And just make sure as you're sitting, you place your weight on your heels. Okay, and this is how you squat. So now that you know how to squat, let's show you where to place your hands. So these are your twerk hands, and you place them just above your knee, and then you get into a squat position. Your chest is always out and your ass is out. I'm going to show you from the side. So take your twerk hands, place them above your knee, get into a squat position, chest out, ass out, and make sure your weight is on your heel. And then what you want to do is, like we were doing a cat-cow, is you're going to push your ass out. So this was you taking your belly button towards the mat when you were on the floor. So emphasis on pushing your belly button forward. Push it forward and then down. 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 Alright, so if you think you've got this, we're going to do this for 8 counts, and then we're going to do it faster. Alright, so grab your water bottle, and to shake it off, you can shake it off if you're feeling a little bit of muscle pull. And now let's get into the position again. So again, twerk hands, your knee, sit into a squat position. You can go as low as you want. Make sure your chest is out. You don't want to twerk like this. You twerk with your chest out and your booty popping up already. Okay, and then let's go for 8 counts. Push it down and up, down and up. 2 and 1. Well done. If you do feel the burn, that's great. Remember that twerking helps you with strengthening your legs. It helps you with strengthening your core muscles, and just this basic exercise, dancing or playing your favorite song and dancing to it, this should be quite a workout for you. So thank you friends for joining us for the booty pop tutorial. Please don't forget, practice, practice, practice. This is the only way you get better. You need to practice until you can kind of feel that your booty is touching your lower back. That's when you know you're properly doing it. Do it in front of the mirror, play your favorite song, and dance to the whole song. And that's the only way you're gonna get better, okay? So yeah, don't forget, please subscribe, share, and comment down. Tell us if you like what, tell us if you like the tutorial, tell us how it's going for you, tell us how your practice is going, and yeah, we love hearing from you. Let us know any other requests that you have on what you want to learn, and we'll do that for you. All right, thanks for now. Cheers guys, bye.